Ow! Oh, one of the... Bunch of wimps.
You distracted me with your... Oh, come to your...
Oh, Tyrone's upset. Well, someone attacked me. You're getting them all... They're not going to be calm anymore when we come in here.
Sure will.
No, they won't.
Hey, buddy.
He's not your buddy.
It's getting better. Oh, hide in there. Hide in the little... Gosh, fast.
Oh, you've upset Tyrone.
Whew, finally.
Don't get too close.
I had to earn this one. Hey.
Is he all right? You sure?
Oh, yeah.
He's never going to lay an egg, you know.
You know how they have that chicken head stabilization? The head doesn't move? Isn't it amazing?
Oh,
That's so cool.
God, that poor thing.
Are her eyes closed? No, but the head doesn't move. It's
Well,
amazing.
if her eyes are closed, she's pretending you're not there. Oh, there's something blinking on it, Brad.
Oh,
What
yeah,
is?
it's about to...
Or can I turn it off now?
Yeah.